We are going for the next heading, that is preparation of aromatic aldehyde from hydrocarbon. Preparation of, we are going to prepare aromatic aldehyde from hydrocarbon, correct? In that, the first one is Itard reaction. Itard reaction. Now, what is Itard reaction here? Methyl group in methyl ketone, methyl group in methyl group in methyl benzene is oxidized by oxidizing agent bromyl chloride in carbon disulfide to form aldehyde complex. Okay, to form aldehyde complex, which on acid hydrolysis produces aldehyde. See here, I'll write down the reaction, then I'll explain one by one. So suppose first we'll write down here, that is yes, this compound is called as methyl benzene, or very commonly it is known by a name called as toluene. Okay, see, methyl group attached to benzene ring, so it is called as a methyl benzene, or it is also called as a toluene. To this, we will add chromyl chloride. What is chromyl? See, chromyl chloride. So chromyl chloride is chromyl chloride. So I can just write down here CrO2 Cl2, chromyl chloride, in the presence of carbon disulfide. See, we are having the methyl benzene, which is called as a toluene. To that, we are adding chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide, and then this methyl group, written here, the methyl group in methyl benzene, ये हमारा methyl benzene है, और ये हमारा जो methyl group है, will oxidize by oxidizing agent. And which is the oxidizing agent? chromyl chloride dissolved in carbon disulfide to form aldehyde complex. तो अभी यहाँ पे हमें जब मिथाइल ये ग्रुप ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाएगा, उसे ऑक्सीडाइज कौन करेगा? क्रोमाइल क्लोराइड करेगा. तो क्या प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा? देखो यहाँ पे बेंजीन रिंग, and then here C. I'll just write down this as a H this way, and here I will have O, Cr, OH, Cl2, or I can write here also O, Cr, OH, Cl2. Correct. Now here what we've done here, there are 3 hydrogen. Out of the 2 hydrogen, the first hydrogen replaced by which group? O, Cr, OH, Cl2. Second hydrogen also replaced by which group? O, Cr, OH, Cl2. Correct. They are not balanced, and this compound what we have got over here is a complex, so it is unstable. So it is called as a chromium complex. It is called as a chromium complex, and this whatever chromium complex we have got will undergo which reaction? Which on acid hydrolysis. So अभी always remember that when we say acid hydrolysis, मतलब कोई भी acid क्या produce करेगा? H plus ion produce करेगा, and H plus ion react with the water to give you which ion? H3O plus. So either you can write in the word here as a acid hydrolysis, yeah, only you can write down H3O plus, acid hydrolysis, and then you will get the compound here, that is benzene ring, and then here we'll get what? CHO directly. They are not balance anything, and this compound is called as benzaldehyde. This compound is called as a benzaldehyde. So what you see here, in methyl benzene, this methyl group gets oxidized by using chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide. And what we have seen here, one hydrogen remains the same and 2 hydrogen atom are replaced by which group? O, Cr, and one O will combine with one H, so we OH and Cl2. O, Cr, OH, Cl2, and this compound what we have got is unstable, so chromium complex, and that is on acid hydrolysis क्या produce करेगा? Benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is the first preparation. So we have seen preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde means what? The compound in which aldehyde group is attached to a benzene ring. Aldehyde group is attached to a benzene ring are called as a aromatic aldehyde. Okay, so we've seen the first preparation. I'll go for second one. Yes, 10th A. Now I'll go for 10th B. Now B here, by oxidation of methyl arene using CrO3. Oxidation of methyl arene. So what is methyl arene? Here again same thing. Methyl arene means what? Methyl benzene. So here I'll write down first methyl benzene. I can write down the formula methyl benzene. So I can have here this group. is called as the methyl benzene, or it can be also called as a toluene. Correct? Methyl benzene, and 2-methyl benzene we are adding here CrO3, CrO3, correct? And CrO3 is called as the chromium oxide. Chromium oxide and acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Now, acetic anhydride means, you know what, here we'll do, we'll write CH3CO, CH3CO and O. This compound is called as acetic anhydride. वैसे भी लिख सकते हो, or you may write down as CH3CO twice, or so either write down as CH3CO, CH3CO and O, or CH3CO 2 times then O. So acetic anhydride, and which will be are heating at lower temperature, that is 273 to 278 Kelvin. We are heating at a low temperature, that is 273 to 278 Kelvin, and then we get the first product over here as and then here there are 3 carbon atom attached to 3 hydrogen atoms. So I'll write here 1 hydrogen, I'll just keep it as it is, and 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by which group? 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by a group called as OCOCH3. Even here also we get OCOCH3. See here, there are 1 hydrogen remain as it is, and the 2 hydrogen atom are replaced by which group? OCOCH3. Correct? And here also we get what? OCOCH3. Correct? And then here whatever we have got will undergo acid hydrolysis. मतलब क्या डायरेक्टली आप लिख सकते हो? H3O plus. What is acid hydrolysis? That acid form करेगा, acid will give us H plus ion. H plus ion will combine with the water, and what we get? H3O plus. या तो इधर एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस लिख दो और H3O plus लिख दो, और यहाँ पे जब हाइड्रोलिसिस हो जाएगा you will get the product here as direct product लिखना, हमें कहीं पे बैलेंस नहीं करना है, just write down the product and then we get here CHO, and which is called as a benzaldehyde, which is called as a benzaldehyde. Okay, so what we have seen here in this reaction, the first one, that is methyl benzene, will react with the chromium oxide and acetic anhydride and form the compound called as a, this group is called as the acetate, CH3COO. CH3COO. This group is called as what? Diacetate, and it is attached to a benzene ring. So this compound can be called as, you can just write down his name, or you can just write down as a diacetate derivative. नाम लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, diacetate derivative, and this is giving you what? Benzaldehyde. Okay, so what is here? The benzene react with the chromium oxide and in acetic anhydride condition, in the presence of acetic anhydride at a low temperature, and then we get this compound over here, which is called as a, this CH3COO is called as a acid. How many acid groups are there? 2 are there, and it is a derivative of benzene, and then it will undergo which reaction? Acid hydrolysis, and we get the benzaldehyde. Okay, so now I'll go for the C. By side chain fluorination of by side chain chlorination of toluene. See, in all these examples, starting material is same, by side chain chlorination of toluene. What is here? You can write the first reaction, that is, again we will have the toluene CH3. Okay, CH3. I'll write down this reaction in the two way, and then you write down the whichever way you will feel easy. CH3, we allow them to react with chlorine, Cl2, chlorine in the presence of sunlight. Now what happened here? One of the chlorine will remove hydrogen. So here we get the first product, that is we'll get CH2 and one hydrogen replaced by what? Cl. One hydrogen replaced by Cl. Okay? And so what we have removed from here? H. And what is remaining here? One Cl. So we are losing here HCl. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? एक क्लोरीन यहाँ पे जा रहा है, यहाँ से क्या रिमूव होगा? हाइड्रोजन. तो how many will be remaining here? CH2 and one hydrogen atom is replaced by what? Cl. और यहाँ पे एक HCl loss होगा. ये compound मिला हमें. Okay. Once we get this compound here, to that we'll again add the chlorine. We are adding in the presence of sunlight. Now again here, see the benzene ring. I'll write more clear. CH. Already one Cl is there and one more Cl, one more H is replaced by Cl. See here, CH2. So CH2, one hydrogen is replaced by what? Cl. And then here, one H we have removed from here will combine with one Cl. And what we are losing over here? HCl. We got this compound. So from here, one hydrogen atom is replaced by one Cl. And one more hydrogen is replaced by one Cl. So two, okay, CHCl. This compound we got. And then whatever compound we have got will undergo hydrolysis. Correct. So here it will undergo hydrolysis. And then we are heating at a temperature of 373 Kelvin. And then here we get CH and Cl will be replaced by OH. This Cl will be also replaced by OH. We got this compound. But we know that the two OH on the same carbon atom, make the compound unstable. Two OH on the same carbon atom make the compound unstable. And because this compound is unstable, will immediately lose the molecule of water. Because this compound is unstable, this will immediately lose the molecule of the water. और कैसे होगा देखो, यहाँ से remove करोगे OH, यहाँ से remove करोगे H, तो OH और H चला जाएगा. तो what is remaining here? CHO. And this, so here we'll have the remaining compound, that is benzene ring, and then we are having here what? CHO, and this compound is called as benzaldehyde. It is called as a benzaldehyde. See what is the reaction we have seen here? First we are having carbon attached to how many hydrogen? 3. We are treating with the chlorine. So one hydrogen atom is replaced by one Cl. Again we are adding one more chlorine. So one more hydrogen atom is replaced by one Cl. And then we are adding here water. And because of water, Cl will be replaced by what? OH. Cl will be replaced by OH. You may write down here 2 water. Okay. So 2 water, and then from here we are losing 2 HCl. मतलब यहाँ पे OH चला जाएगा, and 2 HCl we are losing, and then we get this compound. But this compound what we have got over here is unstable, so it will immediately lose the molecule of the water. Unstable कैसे? 2 OH ग्रुप एक कार्बन के ऊपर नहीं हो सकते, तो ये OH मतलब water lose करेगा, and we get the benzaldehyde. Okay, but same this reaction may be, or Either you write down this way, or the reaction may be written as per our textbook. The reaction may be written as per our textbook. मतलब कैसे लिख सकते हो? देखो, as per our textbook. I'll write down that. Okay, directly guys, just write down the reaction here. We are having the group here. I can write anywhere. I'm just writing here CH3. CH3 is a methyl benzene. To that, we are adding chlorine. Cl. Chlorine can be written as what? ClCl, and in the presence of sunlight. They write also HV. HV means what? Sunlight. HV means sunlight. And then here, now what they have done, दोनों हाइड्रोजन उन्होंने, नॉर्मली हमने क्या किया था, हम लोगों ने एक एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस किया था. यहाँ पे दोनों हाइड्रोजन उन्होंने एक साथ रिप्लेस कर दिया. यहाँ पे क्या मिला? CH, and then both hydrogen atom are replaced by Cl. तो what they got? Cl2. मतलब इवन डायरेक्ट एक स्टेप भी बदल गया. हमारा कंपाउंड कैसे था? हमें यहाँ पे देखो, in the first step we replace one hydrogen atom. In the second step we replace one hydrogen atom. तो हमें प्रोडक्ट क्या मिल रहा था यहाँ पे? CHCl2. लेकिन यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली बताया CHCl2. बैलेंस तो करना ही नहीं है. CHCl2, and this compound what we got over here are called as a benzyl chloride. क्या नाम है इसका? Benzyl chloride. And this compound will undergo hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis होगा, तो मतलब H3O plus, and we are heating at a very high temperature 373 Kelvin, and directly hydrolysis होगा. हाइड्रोलिसिस के बाद अनस्टेबल कंपाउंड मिलेगा, और वो अनस्टेबल कंपाउंड वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को लूज करेगा, and directly we'll get this product over here, CHO. It is called as बेंजाल डेट बट्स. तो जो हम लोगों ने नॉर्मली यहाँ पे देखो, हमारे पास कितने स्टेप है? 1 2 3 4 5 है. इसको हमने OH कैसे अटैच कर दिया बाद में, वाटर लूज करने के बाद बेंजाल डेट बना. यहाँ पे 3 ही है मतलब, तो इसको मतलब दे हैव रिटन इन अ वेरी शॉर्टकट वे, बट ये हमारा डेट बन गया. सो आइदर यू राइट डाउन द फर्स्ट वन or you write down this one, whichever you feel easier you can write in the exam. Okay, so we have seen that. See, now we'll go for the D heading. Again, same we are doing. Yes, the next heading we are having over here is Gattermann Koch formylation of arine. What is the heading? Gattermann, the name of the scientists who work together. Gattermann Koch formylation of arine. Okay. Now, what is this reaction here? Normally, this reaction is given in the presence of CO, carbon monoxide. We allow the carbon monoxide to react with HCl, and we get here HCOCl, and this compound is called as formyl chloride. This compound is called as formyl chloride. और ये जो कंपाउंड है वो अनस्टेबल है. अनस्टेबल है. तो यहाँ पे रिएक्शन कैसे होगा? देखो, अभी बेंजीन, ये हमारा बेंजीन है. So here benzene, we are having a benzene, and benzene react with this compound. See, actually CO plus HCl will react to gives you what? HCOCl, HCOCl is called as the formyl chloride, correct? Formyl chloride, and then this formyl chloride will react over here. तो यहाँ पे जब react करेगा तो क्या मिलेगा? HCOCl, and this reaction occurs in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, anhydrous aluminum chloride, correct, at high pressure, and then know what happened in this case? This group will go, CHO means aldehyde group, will go and attach to one of the carbon atom of the benzene ring, और जब CHO यहाँ पे attach करेगा तो इस कॉर्नर से क्या बाहर निकलेगा? H, and that H will combine with Cl. तो यहाँ पे हमें प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा? Benzene ring will attach to CHO. Benzene ring will attach to what? CHO, and what comes out from this corner? H will combine with the Cl, and what we get over here? HCl, and benzene ring attached to CHO is called as a benzaldehyde. Is called as a benzaldehyde, correct? Now same reaction you may write down or other way as per the textbook. कैसे लिख सकते हो directly? Directly you can just write down here benzene. This is benzene. In the benzene, what are we adding? CO and HCl. So I'll just write down over the arrow CO and HCl. We are doing reaction in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, and we are doing reaction at high pressure. Same, one of the hydrogen replace करोगे directly, and then your product will be here. Do not forget to draw the alternate bond, and we got here CHO, which is called as a benzaldehyde, correct? So either write down the first one which are shown. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने कैसे बताया, CO HCl के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा और क्या बनेगा? HCOCl. HCOCl बेंजीन के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा और ये अटैच करने के बाद CHO अटैच हो जाएगा और यहाँ से H बाहर निकल के Cl के साथ कंबाइन होगा, करेक्ट? तो ये मिलेगा, पर ऐसे लिख सकते हो या ऐसे लिख सकते हो. दिस इज गिवन इन द टेक्स्ट. दोनों में से कोई भी एक फॉर्म में लिख दो, बोथ आर करेक्ट. तो ये हमारा 10th हेडिंग था. व्हाट वाज द 10th heading? Preparations of aromatic aldehyde. What is aromatic aldehyde? In which the aldehyde group is attached to benzene ring. उसमें सबसे पहले वाला रिएक्शन क्या था? इटार्ड रिएक्शन. इटार्ड में क्या किया था हम लोगों ने? मिथाइल बेंजीन के साथ क्रोमाइल क्लोराइड ट्रीट किया था, करेक्ट? ये ए पार्ट. देन बी पार्ट. व्हाट वाज द बी पार्ट? मिथाइल बेंजीन में क्या ऐड किया था? क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिटिक अनहाइड्राइड, और हमें बेंजाल्डेहाइड मिला था, करेक्ट? देन सी में क्या किया था हम लोगों ने? मिथाइल बेंजीन में क्या ऐड किया था? क्लोरीन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, और हमें बेंजाल्डेहाइड मिला था. तो ए में भी हमारा स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल क्या था? मिथाइल बेंजीन. बी में भी हमारा स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल क्या था? मिथाइल बेंजीन. सी में भी हमारा स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल क्या था? मिथाइल बेंजीन. और अभी लास्ट में क्या था? खाली बेंजीन किया था, और बेंजीन में ऐड कर रहे थे हम लोग. क्या ऐड करेंगे बेंजीन में? कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 at high pressure, and we get the benzaldehyde. Okay, so ये हमारा 10th preparation हो गया. Now I'll go for the next one. Preparation of aromatic ketones from हाइड्रोकार्बन. सी अभी हमने पहले क्या बना था? एरोमेटिक अल्डिहाइड बनाए थे. अभी हमें क्या बनना है? एरोमेटिक कीटोन्स बनाने हैं फ्रॉम हाइड्रोकार्बन. So preparation of aromatic ketones from hydrocarbon, correct? So now here And normally here we use one concept of the reaction, that is, and that can be, this can be done by using what? By Friedel-Crafts, acylation of arene. Arene means benzene. मतलब by Friedel, and we all know the Friedel-Crafts reaction. हमें मालूम है हर चैप्टर में हम लोगों ने Friedel-Crafts कर दिया है. By Friedel-Crafts acylation of the arene. Now what is Friedel-Crafts reaction here? We can take the benzene ring. Allow the this is the benzene. Allow the benzene to react with CH3, C double bond OCl, and this compound is called as acetyl chloride. बहुत बार हमने यूज कर दिया acetyl chloride. Reaction is always, जब हमारा Friedel-Crafts reaction रहेगा, it is always done in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and on heating, see this group CH3CO group यहाँ पे attach करेगा to one of the carbon atom of the benzene ring. CH3CO group attach करेगा one of the carbon atom of the benzene ring. लेकिन अटैचमेंट कहाँ पे होगा? कार्बन से होगा. कार्बन अटैच करेगा, और जब कार्बन यहाँ पे अटैच करेगा तो यहाँ से क्या बाहर निकलेगा? H. यहाँ से क्या बाहर निकलेगा? H, and H will combine with the Cl. हमारा फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा? देखो यहाँ पे बेंजीन रिंग, एंड अटैचमेंट कहाँ से होगा? C से होगा. तो हियर अटैचमेंट गॉट C डबल बॉन्ड O, और C के बाजू में यहाँ पे क्या है? CH3 है, प्लस यहाँ से बाहर निकलेगा H, यहाँ से कंबाइन होगा Cl, एंड देन वी गेट हियर व्हाट? HCl. एंड देखो ये कंपाउंड कीटोन है, यहाँ पे अल्काइल ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे अराइल ग्रुप है, बीच में C डबल बॉन्ड O ग्रुप है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ कीटोन. और अगर मुझे नेम लिखना रहेगा तो मिथाइल और ये फिनाइल और ये कीटोन, तो अल्फाबेटिकली पहले क्या आएगा? मिथाइल, फिनाइल, कीटोन, मिथाइल फिनाइल कीटोन. लेकिन अगर हमारा बेंजीन रिंग C डबल बॉन्ड O को अटैच करेगा, then this can be called as a acetophenone. मतलब अगर हमारे पास बेंजीन रिंग CO पे अटैच करेगा तो उसका नाम क्या आता है? फिनोन. और ये हमारा CH3 ग्रुप CO पे साथ, दिस ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज एसीटो. द नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड इज व्हाट? एसीटोफिनोन या मिथाइल फिनाइल कीटोन, सब बोल सकते हो. The same reaction can be also done by, हम लोगों ने बहुत बार किया हुआ है. Benzene will react with CH3C double bond O, CH3C double bond O, and combined to O. This compound is called as acetic anhydride. This is called as a acetic anhydride. Okay, again in the heating in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and then again one of the CH3CO group will attach to the carbon atom of the benzene ring. तो जब ये ग्रुप यहाँ पे चला जाएगा तो इधर से क्या बाहर निकलेगा? H, और H किसके साथ जाएगा? इसके साथ. तो CH3COOH मिलेगा. तो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट कंपाउंड विल गेट हियर? बेंजीन रिंग. ये अटैचमेंट C से होगा तो यहाँ पे आएगा C डबल बॉन्ड OCH3, एंड दिस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड एज एसीटोफिनोन. एसिडोफिनोन को आप क्या बोलोगे? मिथाइल फिनाइल कीटोन. और प्लस यहाँ पे क्या बचा है? CH3COO, और यहाँ से H रिमूव हुआ है तो विल गेट व्हाट? CH3COOH, which is called as a acetic acid. Okay, so this reaction is done by the Friedel-Crafts. And why acylation? Because one of the hydrogen, यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन निकल रहे, so one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by which group? Acetyl group. यहाँ पे भी क्या हो रहा है? One of the hydrogen atom is replaced by which group? Acetyl group. So when hydrogen atom of when hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by, when hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by acetyl group that is CH3 C double bond O group, then reaction is called acetylation. Reaction is called as acetylation. तो generally अगर ये R होता था तो उसे R के लिए क्या हम लोग बोलते acylation, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे हमारा acetyl group है तो it can be called as acetylation. हमने सेम रिएक्शन अल्कोहल में किया है. देखो जब हमने सेम रिएक्शन क्लोरोबेंजीन में किया था तो यहाँ पे Cl था. जब हमने सेम रिएक्शन अल्कोहल में किया था तो यहाँ पे OH था. सेम रिएक्शन ईथर में किया तो यहाँ पे OCH3 था. So everywhere we have done this reaction, correct? Friedel-Crafts reaction in all the chapter, all the topic we have done. Now the next last preparation. Preparation of aldehydes from esters. Preparation of aldehyde from esters. मतलब हमें aldehyde बनाना है, लेकिन aldehyde किसे बनाना है? Aldehyde हमें बनाना है from ester. Okay, preparation of aldehyde from esters. So what is the reaction here? Like we'll take esters. Normally, what is general formula for esters? R C double bond O O R dash. This type of the organic compound are called as esters. And esters का हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Reduction करेंगे. Reduction. And reduction can be done by using what? DI BALH. What is here? I'll write a name. It is called as what? Di isobutyl aluminium hydride. See, di isobutyl aluminium hydride. In the short form, it can be called as what? DiBAL, butyl aluminium hydride. Correct? Or the same compound can be also written. You can say short form क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? DIBLH ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Or you can also call it as what? ALH and IBU twice. It's same thing. Aluminium hydride isobutyl 2 times. यहाँ पे भी सेम ही आ रहा है. Di-isobutyl aluminium hydride. करेक्ट. सो ये रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट हमारा है. और रिडक्शन होने के बाद डायरेक्टली हम लोग यहाँ पे और क्या करेंगे? एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस भी करेंगे. मतलब रिडक्शन भी करेंगे और हाइड्रोलिसिस भी करेंगे और फिर यहाँ पे बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएगा इधर. और नॉर्मली व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिडक्शन? रिडक्शन का मतलब होता है एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. रिडक्शन का मतलब एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. तो एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे ऐड होगा, एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे ऐड होगा. तो एक हाइड्रोजन अगर यहाँ पे चला जाएगा तो क्या मिलेगा? देखो R C double bond OH. R C double bond OH, and this compound is called as aldehyde plus ROH, R dash OH and R dash OH. This is called as the alcohol. Okay, लेकिन यहाँ पे उन्होंने एक ही प्रोडक्ट है. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? So हम लोग what we are doing here? Reduction, and we all know what is meaning of reduction? Addition of hydrogen. तो esters का अगर हम reduction करेंगे by using di-isobutyl aluminium hydride and then we'll do the hydrolysis. हमें क्या मिलेगा? aldehyde मिलेगा and alcohol मिलेगा, लेकिन हमें aldehyde चाहिए. Correct? Now I'll write down the example. So put it CH3 C double bond O O C2H5. ये एस्टर्स है. इनका नाम कैसे लिखने का एस्टर का? जो ग्रुप ऑक्सीजन को अटैच करेगा, देखो ये ग्रुप कार्बन को अटैच है और ये ग्रुप जो ग्रुप ऑक्सीजन को अटैच करेगा उसका नाम पहले लिखो. तो यहाँ पे आएगा इथाइल. And we know that CH3COO is called as a acid, ethyl acetate. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? ethyl acetate. And then over the arrow I'll write down here diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay, and acid hydrolysis. क्या मिलेगा हमें? यहाँ पे बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएगा, इधर एक H चला जाएगा, इधर एक H चला जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे एक H, यहाँ पे we get CH3 C double bond OH, which is called as acetaldehyde plus C2H5OH, और यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? C2H5OH. Okay, I'll take one more example. Suppose I take CH3 CH2 C double bond O C2H5, ये कंपाउंड है. विल डायरेक्टली एस्टर्स ये. एक मिनट, यहाँ पे मैं O लिखने के लिए भूल गई. O, यहाँ पे O आएगा. O, तो ये इथाइल O के साथ है, तो उसका नाम क्या लिखोगे? इथाइल. हाउ मेनी कार्बन आइटम? 1 2 3. 3 मतलब प्रोपियोनिक एसिड, तो प्रोपियोनिक एसिड, आईसी एसिड की जगह क्या लिखोगे? ATE. ये क्या नाम बना इसका? इथाइल. और ये ग्रुप जो हमारा है एक्चुअली वो एसिड का ग्रुप है. CH3 CH2 COO इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रो. ये जो कंपाउंड है हमारा है CH3 CH2 COOH इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोपियोनिक एसिड. लेकिन अगर मैं यहाँ पे CH3 CH2 COO लिख दिया तो यहाँ पे मुझे क्या करना? आईसी एसिड रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा, और मैं क्या लिखूंगा नाम? प्रोपियोन. एंड आईसी एसिड की जगह मैं क्या लिखूंगा? ATE. करेक्ट. यहाँ पे भी सेम था, CH3 CH2 COOH था. H की जगह कौन आ गया? इथाइल. तो इथाइल पहले लिख दिया. फिर CH3 CH2 COH को हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोपियोनिक एसिड. और आईसी एसिड की जगह हमें क्या लिखना रहता है? AT. एस्टर के लिए वो नोमेनक्लेचर है, जब हम लोग एस्टर करेंगे तब करेंगे. इसका नाम आएगा इथाइल प्रोपियोनेट. एंड देन diisobutyl aluminum hydride and using acid hydrolysis. then यहाँ पे बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएगा. सॉरी, यहाँ पे बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएगा. CH3 CH2 और क्या बनेगा? CHO. देखो ये बॉन्ड नहीं ब्रेक हो रहा है, इधर बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो रहा है यहाँ. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोपियोन अल्डिहाइड प्लस C2H5 और O क्या आएगा? C2H5OH, which is ethyl alcohol, which is called as the ethyl alcohol. ये हमारा था preparation of aldehyde only, but from the esters. Preparation of only aldehyde, ketone नहीं बनाना यहाँ पे. Preparation of only aldehyde, but from the esters. So with this we have finished with all the preparations of aldehydes and ketone. Okay, so next lecture we'll start with the next part. Okay, so we'll stop it here. Thank you.